everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to trade again on the Pocket Option platform. Let's see how it goes this time. Today, I'm starting this trade with a small amount, just $7. Let's see what I can do with it. And as always, I'll be using the Turbo Trend software strategy to analyze the market. If you'd like to try this software yourself, check the video description. You'll find a link to connect directly with us. Now I'm going to choose the right market first and then connect it to the Pocket Option broker before starting the trade. Everything is set up, the software is connected, and now it's time for me to place a trade based on the signal generated by the market analysis. All right, friends, as you can see on the screen, I've just placed a buy order following the signal from the software. Here, I place the trade by risking all the capital I have. But keep in mind, this is a high risk move and I don't recommend you do the same, especially if you're just starting out. Okay, some of you might be wondering, can the Turbo Trend software work with other brokers? The answer is yes. The original version of Turbo Trend is compatible with all binary option brokers that support external analysis systems. And if you'd like to download the original version of the Turbo Trend software, just check the video description. You'll find a link to connect directly with us. All right, now let's take a look at today's trading results. All right, friends, that's it for today's trading session. As you've seen, the results are quite impressive. My profit has already exceeded the maximum limit of my initial capital. This shows what's possible with the right strategy. Don't forget to check the description if you want to give it a try. See you in the next video and have a great day.